All right, here in video 6, we're going to talk about how to set up and run a successful fan page. So I came over here to our cats page that we've been working on, and I had that ad running for probably less than an hour, and we've already got 9 people to like the page. And what's crazy about this is I haven't even added an image yet or anything. There's nothing on the wall, and these people still are so passionate about cats that they even like this page even when there's no material on it. So that's just crazy. And then looking at the ad itself, it's not doing too bad, especially considering that we have absolutely no image on our Facebook fan page and we don't have any status updates on our wall. And it looks like it's pulling in 9 cents a click. That's not bad. I mean, considering this was an initial test, I just threw it out there. If I were to set this up as a cost per click campaign instead of the CPM like we did in the last video, I guarantee you we'd be paying probably 50 to 75 cents a click. And what's awesome about this is we had 12 clicks and we had 9 people like the page. And that's not uncommon. You know, the conversion rates from clicks to likes are usually about that, usually like 80 to 90%. Now the CTR isn't bad. Like I said in the guide and in the initial video, I usually shoot for a 0.5% CTR, so it's almost there but not quite. And you know, probably a reason that it's not doing as well is because we don't have any material on this page. But if we maybe tested a different image, I guarantee you we could get that number up. Now I've paused this ad for now, but you can see that it was only $1. That's all it cost us to do an initial test. With most pay-per-click out there, it's just gonna deplete your account. You're gonna see your spending shoot through the roof. I'm talking like $50 without you knowing it. And so that can sting a little bit. So this only cost us $1 to do an initial test to see if this campaign would work or not. That's huge. So here in our mind map, the first thing we need to do is add a fan page image. And so we'll go here to our fan page, and then right here we need to upload an image. So we'll just go back to Google Images again here. We'll click here on Advanced Image Search, and then we'll click this and move it to Labeled for Commercial Reuse with Modification. And then we'll type in here cats. And then I should be able to find that same image, which is right here. So I'm just gonna right click this image and save it to my desktop. Then I'll come back here, click on Upload an Image. I'll choose a file, I'll find that one on my desktop, and then it's gonna upload the picture, and there you go. So we got our fan page image on there. Now it's starting to look more like a fan page. And you know, you don't have to make this image the exact same one as your ad. You could change this up however you want to do it. Now, while we're on the subject of talking about the image for your Facebook fan page, a really good tip that I haven't started incorporating yet, but I just recently researched this, is it's really a good idea to incorporate a sense of community with this image up here in the top left corner. And the way you do that is by doing like a fan of the week. And I think this is the site, it's zappos.com. If you look at this, this is a perfect one to model after. Look at this, fan of the week. And they're just randomly picking someone, in this case Buddy from Sarasota, Florida, and they're just picking them from their fan base right here, and they're featuring them as the fan of the week. So this really gives a nice sense of community. Everything that zappos.com, what they're doing here is really great. Just model after this stuff. These guys are doing it right. All right, so now we need to get some content on our actual wall here. And an easy way to do that is you can come over to YouTube and just type in your main keyword, cats. And here's a video about funny cats. And so we'll just go here. And I usually will just grab a video if the like to dislike ratio is pretty extensive. You know, like this has a lot of green, not very much red. So even without watching the video, I can tell this is gonna be a decent video to put up on our wall. So we'll just grab the URL up in the URL address bar in our browser, and then we'll paste it right here, and then just delete this, and then share it. All right, so we can just go through here. Another one, a cat who likes to watch the toilet flush. Again, we've got a high like ratio compared to dislikes. Got a big green bar there, so we know this is a good video. Just take the URL at the top, paste it in here, delete all of this, and share. All right, and since I've got 9 people that liked it, I don't want to spam them right now. Usually you want to put this content on your page prior to getting people to like it. And so just remember that even though those videos are in that order, you probably want to get some content on your page as well as this image prior to advertising. The main goal is you want to make your fan page look alive. Don't just post videos, mix it up a little bit with text as well. Ask questions like, what's your favorite breed of cat? What's the funniest thing your cat has ever done? Those are just some ideas that I'm throwing at you. All right, so now we want to add our iframe app so that we can get a unique default landing page to help increase the conversion of likes on our Facebook fan page. So you come up here to the search bar and type iframe. And we want this one right here with this white star on a gray background. Just click that and then add to my page, and then add to page like this to our cat page. And then we'll just hit the back button, go back here. And you'll notice here we've got an extra tab here on the left hand side that says welcome. And essentially what we're going to do is we're going to make this tab the default landing page. And the way you do that is over here on the right hand side of the page, we'll click the edit page button. And then you're just going to go here to default landing tab, and you're going to make the welcome tab the default landing tab. Okay? And then hit save changes. And then we'll go back to our page by clicking this button. And also you can update category. This is the category we want. Just get this out of the way. Your category has been updated. And so now let's go in and actually edit our custom page. What I always do when I come in here in this Facebook app is I just check both of these boxes so that we get just one box. And then right here is where your code's gonna go. And don't let this intimidate you. This is actually really simple stuff, and I'm gonna walk you through it in this video. Since this is the default landing page, let's just type welcome to my new cat's Facebook fan page. All right, and then we'll hit save and view tab. And then we'll view tab as a non-fan, so this means they haven't clicked the like button yet, and we'll see what it looks like. And you can see it's just simple. It looks like plain text, welcome to my new cat's Facebook fan page. All right, and let's go back here. And then let's click on save and view tab again, but this time let's view it as a fan. So this is after they click the like button. This is what it looks like. It looks the exact same. So that's essentially what this Facebook app does, is it allows you to customize your landing page so that you can monetize that traffic that you're paying for right away. And so probably the easiest way to get content on your Facebook landing page is to just head over here to Amazon.com as an affiliate, and then you remember in the last video you just click this gray button here that says link to this page. And in this case I selected a cat tree. This is a product directly from Amazon.com. It sells for 114 bucks, so we'd make a pretty nice commission by selling this. And then you just scroll down here to the bottom, you select this, or you click this button, highlight HTML. We're just going to copy this, Control C, and then come over here to our page and then hit Control V or Command V on your Mac. All right, right in here. All right, just like that. And then we're going to hit save and view tab, and let's view it again as a non-fan. I'm going to open this up in a new tab, and you can see it looks just like that. All right, and then same thing with this. I'll open it in a new tab, and it's just like that for both a fan and a non-fan. So if we go back to the editor, you could just put some text here and just say, without any coding experience, all you did there was a simple copy and paste. And then you just go here and you say, I highly recommend this cat tree. My cats love it, right? Hopefully you have a cat and then you can say that. But so it's that simple. We're not hard selling them at all. We're just recommending a product from Amazon.com. And you don't have to just promote one product. You could do 3 to 5 different Amazon products. So you could do a CPA offer. Just copy and paste the code that the CPA offer provides you at Neverblue. It's really simple to just go in there, copy and paste the code, and you can start monetizing right away from that. So let's just go ahead and save like that, and then we'll check it out again. I can just refresh these pages now. Now you can see it here. It doesn't look the best, it looks kind of crappy. But we can kind of fix that. If you go over here back to editor, just do this simple piece of code. Just go like this, H3 and the little alligator teeth like that, and then close it with H3, and a / like that. All right, just like how I did it. What that's going to do is it's going to make this line of text more of like a header, and then it won't look as bad. So we'll try that, and then we'll view it as a non-fan, and you can see it looks pretty nice like that. All right, and then you could promote multiple products. You could put them on this line, just giving you some ideas there. So if you're getting 1 penny clicks and this is your default landing page and you have 3 different offers on here, you're gonna make sales. Whenever there's super targeted traffic, like this traffic, all of these people that liked this page from my ad that I had running, these 9 people love cats, all right? And so if you had 3 Amazon offers in front of them, then you're gonna make sales, no question. And the cool thing is, let's say you get your fan base up to 1,000 likes and you still have these things running. Let's say you don't want to spend any more on advertising. You just pause your ads here in Facebook, and then you got your 1,000 people to promote to. So then you just come over to your wall and you've got completely free advertising. You could promote these cat trees in your wall over and over again. So with that being said, it'd be best to change the text on this welcome tab to something different, something that's going to get people to come from your wall back to your ads that are running on this welcome page. And so we do that by clicking on Edit Page right here, and then go to Apps here on the left-hand side. And then here's our app right here, the white star on the gray background. Just click on Edit Settings, and then right here you can change the name of that tab. And so we'll just name this Best Cat Trees. All right, exclamation point. Save it, and then click OK. Then we'll go back to our page here. And you can see right there, Best Cat Trees. So when you post anything to your wall and people come to your fan page, your existing followers, they're going to see this and they're going to get reminded of it. And research shows that most sales don't happen until on or after the 4th or 5th contact, somewhere around there. So by continually talking to your people, just copying and pasting videos like I've done here, and then occasionally sending a promo, you're going to be making sales from your pages. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Other than the bonuses, this is really the last video in the course. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Again, as I mentioned in the guide, Facebook is just huge. It's growing at a rapid pace. It's just a huge ocean of traffic out there with a ton of potential. All you have to do is go out and get your piece of it. And I hope you've appreciated these strategies because there really is a ton of potential in it. So thanks so much for watching and ordering this course. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at simplespencer@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Take care and all the best.